Here we have a current shape T33 Xtrail fitted in 3/4 fit mid-grey sheepskin with optioned open backs. So as you can see, seat covers have separate headrests. Seat covers are profiled to the shape of the seat. So being a 3/4 fit open back, you get sheepskin on the face of the headrest, face of the backrest, top of the base. Also the side skirts are sheepskin. This isn't a TI model, so it has the electric controls on the Xtrail, left open with our seat covers fitted. Airbag provision on both door sides of the backrest. Airbag provision on the inside of the driver's backrest. And as mentioned at the start of the video, being a 3/4 fit open back, the back of the headrest is acrylic and the back of the backrest is acrylic, and this one of course has the option of the open mat pockets. Now we move on to the mid rear seat, or the rear seat. This is a 5-seater. So as you can see, split folding backrest 50/50, center armrest with drink holder still accessible, center lap sash belt still functional. Being one of the higher grades, of course, the bases are split as well, so both 40 and 60 bases are made separate, so seats function as per normal, like so. Backrest still tilt forward with top tether points accessible on the backrest. Option of ISOFIX on the bases as well.